Welcome to ANHUI ANKAI Automobile Corporation Limited, a luxury bus and coach manufacturer based in China. ANKAI is a public listed company manufacturing all kinds of large buses, medium buses and automobile parts. ANKAI possesses a total of 8 holding companies, ANKAI Axle and ANKAI Jinda. As an international coach manufacturer, ANKAI has brought German Kassbohrer technology, assimilating its world-famous brand, Cetra. In the research and development centers of the headquarters and in Germany, automobile experts at home and abroad are carrying on continual research to make innovations, striving to make top-quality products for worldwide customers. ANKAI took the lead in implementing ISO TS 16949 quality standard system, TPS manufacturing technology and performance management. It has established 4 manufacturing bases in China, 7 world-class U-type production lines and advanced manufacture and inspection facilities. Monocoque body technology originated from aircraft technology, which makes the vehicle 3 to 6 times stronger than that of other brands and makes ANKAI vehicles safer. Advanced retarder control system, ABS, ASR, EBS, ESC and ACC systems ensure ANKAI coaches are a safer driving experience. The research and application of lightweight monocoque body technology has made the vehicles 8 to 10% lighter than similar products. The vehicle body's streamlined design is based upon aerodynamics and has greatly decreased drag coefficient. Fuel consumption per 100 kilometers is 5 to 10% less than similar products. The engine has been updated to world-class emission standards with less harmful gas emissions. The unique fresh air exchange system makes the circulating flow rate 120 times and 6,000 cubic meters per hour within the vehicle. The independent suspension system, ladder structure and triangle skeleton connecting rod structure can adapt to all kinds of road situations instantly, changing bumpy road into level road and providing passengers with the best feelings of outdoor travel. The first-rate products have won recognition from across the world.